Hello YouTube, Rubik's CubeX back today, and I'm actually doing a request from a YouTuber, and today I'm showing equality with Kisslicer. And this year, recently I just purchased a 4 TB hard drive for college and for more inventing on my 3D printer, and I needed something to protect my 4 TB hard drive, with it being 4,000 gigabytes of data. I didn't really want it to just slide off the table and drop. So I designed this little device thing, and basically what it does is it has a tolerance on each side of 2/100ths of an inch, which is a total of 4/100ths of an inch on each side, and it slid right in. It was a little snug, but it was fine, and that's how I designed it. I designed it purposely like that. Now, so I designed it like this, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see, but each one of these layers, let me see if I can tap. So each one of these layers are actually quite thick for 3D printing, and I printed it like that on purpose because I like the ridges. And since this object is so big, it doesn't really need to be. It did not need to be a good high quality print. Now I did have a problem with delaminating over here, so that's why we have this bubble here. But other than that, the quality was perfect. It was spot on. So let me move the camera up and zoom in. I don't know if you can see that. So this is Kisslicer, and the settings I used. Move the light just a tad. So I changed this number here, that number there, and that number there. So what's happening is every layer, because the object is really big, I changed the layer thickness to 0.5 millimeter each time it overpassed, because it was a big object. Now the extrusion width needs to be bigger than this number here, so that's why it's up 0.1 of an inch. And the inside, this is 20%. So the inside of the object is going to be filled 20%, but then it's going to extrude 0.6 millimeters every time on the inside. So that gave me a very fresh little slice across the top, and it gave me just what I needed to make it very smooth. Now for the door, I printed this just a standard door, and I've made it exactly how it was, and I trimmed with a little cutting knife so that I just trimmed the edge just enough so that it fits in there snug. And I'm telling you, without the rubber bands, it's not going anywhere. I mean, it's just not going anywhere. The rubber bands are actually designed for the cable I have over here, so I can put the cable on here and go with it without losing a cable. But I think later on I'll probably design a latch so I can keep the cable attached. Well, I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please subscribe below and tell me how I'm doing, because I'm having fun making these videos. Now, if you want to go check out another channel, go check out my other Rubik's Cube Storm YouTube channel. It's definitely fun, all about Rubik's Cubes, and who doesn't love Rubik's Cubes, right? Well, hope you enjoyed.